exercise. Well, circle passing through the two vertices of a right angle triangle. That the radius of the circle has been asked. So you just need to quickly draw the circle first, and it is explained or told in the question that it is a right angle triangle like this one, and we are provided the lengths like this is, let's suppose, 3 centimeter, A to C 3 centimeter, and B to C is provided as 4 centimeter. Angle of 90 degree at point C. So we will take up C right here. A to C is provided 3 centimeter and B to C is provided 4 centimeter. Always remember that in this case, the A to B will become the diameter of the circle. So we will be finding AB first by using Pythagoras theorem, 4 square, 3 square, and its radical will give you value of AB. So this will become 5. So 5 once, because A to B is the complete diameter, radius will be 5 by 2. That is 2.5. So the option will be 2.5 centimeter. Next question, number 2. In adjacent figure, central and inscribed angles of the arc is like application of the theorem. So measure angle 2 will be double than measure angle 1 because of the theorem, first theorem of this chapter. Number 3, uh, if it is central angle is angle number 3, if it is 75 degree, which is a central angle, and 1 and 2 are equal angles because they are angles in same segments. 1 and 2 are equal, but 1 and 2 are actually circumangles. So central angle is double and circumangle is half. So means that 75 divided by 2 will be equals to angle 1 or angle number 2. So half of the 75 will be 37.5. So option number A will be there. Next. Given that in this diagram, O is the center of the circle, then marked angle X would be. We have to carefully see that 25 degree is the circumangle and the corresponding central angle is X. So it should be 2 times of 25 because central angle is double than the circumangle. So it will become 50. So option number C will be the correct answer. Number 5 MCQ, same question, but this time angle Y has been asked. So you have to remember that angle in same segment. If AB is an arc and it is making an angle at point making an angle at point C or at point D, these are the two circumangles. So both of these circumangles will be equal. So if angle at C is 25, then angle at D, which is Y, this will also be 25. Next question, MCQ number 6. So in this diagram, you have to take care in such a way that first you will find value of B. So B is 64, 180 minus 64. This is 16, 1, 116. So B is 1, 116, and it is in the diagram, it is very clearly been mentioned. This is 2B. So 2B means that multiplied by 2. So this will become 232. So 2B is 232. We need to find X only. So 360 degree minus 320, 232. This will give you the answer. So this is 8, 2, 128. So option number D is the correct answer. So this is actually, according to the formula, you have to memorize because B in this case is circumangle, right? And its corresponding central angle is 2B. So this is minor arc and it is major arc. So whenever you are actually comparing circum and central angle, they should be in opposite uh, arcs. If the circumangle is in minor arc, then central angle should be in major arc and vice versa. Move to the next part, number 7. So same concept is being used. X and this part will become 2 times x because x is circumangle and 2x is a central angle. So so 2x plus 110 is equals to 360. So 360 minus 110 will make it 250 and divided by 2 will make x 125. So this will be your correct answer. Next, part number 8. O is a figure and it is visible in the diagram that in this case all three are equal. All three are equal. So means that this portion will become an equilateral triangle. So in that case, equilateral triangle has each angle of 60 degree, right? So each angle will be of 60 degree. Then this, and we also know that this part, it is angle in a semicircle, it is always 90 degree. So 90 is there, 60 is there, then we can find x will be 90 minus 60. So this will be 30 degree x. So this is also 60 degree, 60 and this is 90 degree because complete angle is of 90 degree. Inside triangle, the corner angle will also be in a 60 degree, but we are taking it as angle in a semicircle which is at 90 degrees. So 90, 60 and subtracting from 180 will generate this angle x which is 30 degrees. So this will be your correct option. Next, number 9. Hmm. Uh, O is the center of the circle, angle x is required. So O is a center means that the diameter is written there. So in that case, again, you will see that you need to find this part will become 30 degree. Why? For example, if AB is an arc, it is making an angle at point C 30 degree, then the same AB will be making an angle of 30 degree on other side. Another fact is that AC is basically the diameter, then this part is basically 90 degree because angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. So 90 minus 30 will become 60 degree and it is a required x. So your answer will be 60 degree. Next part. In the figure, we need to find these values. So first we will have to draw one construction right here like this way. And then we will need to do some radii like these two portions. These two lengths are radii of the circle O to C, O to A, and it is written this is 20 degree, then this angle will also be of 20 degree. Similarly, these two will be the radii of the circle. If it is 30 degree, then this part will also be of 30 degree. If you group them together, the answer will become 50 degree.